Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious caramel bonbons. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You will need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. Also, have a sturdy saucepan, a candy thermometer, and an 8x8-inch pan lined with parchment paper ready. These preparations ensure a smooth and successful caramel making process. Now, let's make the caramel. Combine the sugar and 1/4 cup of water in your saucepan. Stir gently until the sugar fully dissolves, then stop stirring and allow it to boil. Watch closely as it cooks to a beautiful deep amber color, reaching approximately 340 degrees Fahrenheit on your candy thermometer. Then, carefully whisk in the warm heavy cream, butter, and sea salt until smooth. Once your caramel is ready, carefully pour it into the parchment-lined 8x8-inch pan. Now comes the waiting game. Let it cool completely at room temperature for at least 2 hours or until it is firm to the touch. When it's fully set, use the parchment paper to lift the caramel slab out of the pan. Then, with a sharp knife, cut it into perfect 1-inch by 1-inch squares. For the final delightful touch, melt 8 ounces of high-quality chocolate using a double boiler. Once smooth and glossy, dip each caramel square into the melted chocolate, ensuring it's evenly coated. Place the freshly dipped bonbons onto a sheet of parchment paper to allow the chocolate to set. For an extra burst of flavor, sprinkle a tiny pinch of flaky sea salt on top before the chocolate hardens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.